Hi champs, how are you? As we discussed earlier, the probability concept from grade 10, part 2 we are going to be continue. Before that, welcome to our maths channel, Maths Mill. And the students of 10th grade should follow this. Very easy to score in probability concept. That's why we are going to start probability part 2. So, in the earlier class, we discussed about probability in how many ways, what are the model of the sums, that and all we discussed. Part of that, we discussed about playing of cards. From the deck of play cards, if we can take something randomly, what is the probability to get that card, that and all we discussed earlier. As I said earlier, we are having the models of the probability, deck of play cards, throwing a dice, and flipping of coins, and general model of the sums, regular model of the sums. In this part 2 video, I am going to discuss with you with flipping of coin model sums. Okay, then follow me. So, in the model of flipping coin sums, flipping of a coin sums, the sums may come like this. Either if we can flip one coin, how many possible outcomes, or if we can flip two coins at a time, what are possible outcomes, or three coins at a time, what are possible outcomes, or else one coin one time, two times, three times. So that's why we have taken like this. Okay, if we can flip a coin one time or two times or three times, number of outcomes, we are having one formula, 2 power n. For example, one coin 2 power 1, two outcomes will come. Two coins 2 power 2, four outcomes will. What are the four outcomes? What are the 8 outcomes? That and all I will explain you now. Okay, so if 3 coins 2 power 3, 8 outcomes will come. So what are those, we have to be learn now. As I said earlier, the formula is 2 power 1, 2 power n. If we can flip one coin, only two outcomes we know. That is very easy. H comma T. Those two are outcomes. Right? Now we can go with the two coins. So we know one coin, two outcomes, H comma T, head and tail. No problem. So now if we can flip two coins at a time or one coin two times, what are the possible outcomes? If you can see here, first coin H comma T. So one H you can take H comma T, another T H comma T. It is the easy way to find outcomes, total number of outcomes when we are flipping the coins. Hope you are following me. So you can take the arrow, one H comma T, another one T H comma T, like that you can take. Now I am explaining about two coins if we can flip. So H, first coin H, second coin H, one possibility. First coin H, second coin T, another possibility. First coin T, another coin H, third possibility. So both are tails. That is the fourth possibility. Once you can see here. Okay. So total 4 possibilities are there because two coins, 2 power 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So my dear champs, where the students are getting confused, if 3 coins, most of the sums will ask from 3 coins only. So in the next coming, we can discuss what type of sums also we can discuss that. So first, if you know the outcomes, easily we can answer the questions. So how to write the outcomes if we can flip 3 coins? So first you have to remember one point. What it is? 2 power 3, because 3 coins we are flipping. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 8 outcomes has to come. So what are the 8 outcomes? Without confusion, how to write? That I am going to be explained now. So as I said, for this H, one H comma T you can take. For this H also one H comma T you can take. Like that, how many H's are there individually? You can take one H comma T. First one, H, H, H. Here I am going to be right. Once you can observe. H, H, T. H, H, T. H, T, H. H, T, H. Hope you are following. Next, H, T, T. H, T, T. Very easy. You can write all the outcomes, even 5, even 6 outcomes also. Easily you can try. Next, T, H, H. T, H, H. Next, T, H, T. T, H, T. T, T, H. T, T, H. T, T, T. All the 3 are tails. Now, these are the possible outcomes if we can flip 3 coins at a time or 1 coin 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? So my dear champs, in this video particularly we have to be discuss what type of probability sums based on the coins we may get in the examination. So already we know what are the outcomes if you are flipping 3 coins. We got it. Now once you can see the question, what is the probability to get at least 2 heads? This is the very important word. At least 2 heads if we can flip 3 coins at a time. So here we have to be get it at least at most 2 words are there. At least means at least 2. 2 or more. At most 2. 2 or less. That you have to be keep it in mind. So what it is? At least 2. 2 or more. If we can remember this, it will be very easy. Okay. So once we have to be recall the formula, number of possible outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes are 8. At least 2 heads we said. That means 2 heads minimum or more. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, it is also 1, 2, it is also. Here only 1 head we can't consider. 2 heads we can consider. 1 head we can't. 1 head we can't. 3 no heads we can't. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4 by 8. 1 by 2 is a very simple answer. Hope you got it. In the same way, if we can see one more example, what is the probability to get at most 2 tails if we can flip 3 coins at a time? So first we should get to know the number of outcomes 8. It won't be changed. At most means what? 2 or less. At most 2, 2 or less. At most 5, 5 or less. So 5 also should be included. 2 also should be included. 2 tiles or less. Here if you can observe 1, 2, 3. 2 or less we said. Even 0 also consider. So 1. Here 1 is also less than 2. 1 less than 2. Okay. Here 2 considered because 2 or less we are considering. Here 1 considered. Here 2 considered. Here 2 considered. But here 3. 2 or less only we are considering. 3 cannot be considered. So how many are there? 0 considered. 1 considered. 1 considered. 2 considered. 1 considered. 1, 2 considered. 2 considered. So 7 by 8 is your required answer. Hope you understood this. Very, very easy. Don't be confused with at least, at most. At most, the number and less. At least, the number and more. Very easy. Okay? So, students, hope you understood about the concept of flipping of a coins in probability. Very, very important and easy scoring if you are not confusing. So, hope I explained very clearly. You are getting that? Dear champs, who and all are following from now, the previous video link will be in this video's description. So you please follow that also, part 1. You will get more knowledge. And we are going to explain in the next video about dice problems. In probability, if you can throw a dice, what are the outcomes, what are the type of questions you may get, that and all we are going to be learn in our coming video. Okay, please like my video, share and subscribe my channel and support me, and thanks for supporting who and all are supporting till now. Thanks for them, and bye bye, thank you.